Hello guys, it's Abdulahi speaking. This is another video, and this video is going to be very short because I'm still going to be making a long video about this, but I just want to give you a quick update about the video. So it's about how to make 100,000 up to 100,000 or more than 100,000 a month with just 1,000 registration. Is not I'm not the owner of the app. I just observe the app. That's why I'm trying to share it to you guys. Okay, so I'm going to be releasing the video very soon, but I'm still going to give you a quick review about the video. Also, I have a review about this particular app. This app, you can make sure you subscribe to this Yusuf channel. Do that subscription right now. Click subscribe and turn on your notification bell, so you're going to be getting notified whenever I drop new video. And make sure you give me a thumb up on this video. So the site is going to be orchid.ng. If you're in Nigeria, you're going to be enjoying this app. Is a very legit app because I've made a lot of money from it, couple of thousand anyways. But I just tried the app out and I see that it's legit and it's not something that's going to fold up anytime. So just go to orchid.ng, sign up, or go to moneymaking.com/orchid to read review about the app. And if you want to sign up, make sure you use my link down in the description of this video, because I think that sometimes they give you cash back, maybe 200 now. Instead of you registering for 1,000, you're going to register for 800 if you are using referral link sometimes. So make sure you use my referral link. If there's a cashback, you're going to see it after registration. So make sure you go to my description of this video, click it, sign up on Orchid. And the thing there is that you're going to be earning on different ways. The first way, you can earn by sharing people's status. If a brand is going to go there on Orchid to advertise their brand, so if you share the brand on your status, you're going to be earning maybe 10 naira or 20 naira, and there's about 15 naira if you are liking or subscribing to audio mark, 15 naira per one, maybe 13 naira per subscriber. If you are subscribing to YouTube channel, all those Facebook page you have been liking, you are going to be getting paid maybe 3 naira or 5 naira per like. So there are a lot of ways. You can also advertise your brand on orchid.ng, just like orc advertising something. So you can advertise on it. You can buy a recharge card, airtime at lower ways and reselling it or stuff like that. There are a lot of different ways you can earn money on orchid.ng. So just go to my site, moneymaking.com/orchid, read about the review and sign up. Okay, and you can also just, with what I've said now, just go down, play this the first link right there is the link to sign up on Orchid. It's 1,000 naira and you can withdraw. I'm going to be showing you with my withdrawal proof. You can also check moneymaking.com/orchid. You're going to see a lot of thousands of naira that I've made on Orchid and others people have made on Orchid. So just check it and see the referral. If I have time, I can edit this video and put all those my payment proof on the screen on my video. So let me release this one now. I'm going to see on my next video on full tutorial on how to sign up on Orchid, how to earn on Orchid, how to withdraw on Orchid. See you guys. Catch you later. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click that subscribe right now and turn on the notification bell. Like this video. I remain Abdulahi Yusuf. See you in my next video.